Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. I'm a little bit of a rush. I was supposed to be at Demboske Motosport about an hour and a half ago. So as you can see here, we have the Grom loaded up. The Grom's getting some new tires. And then we're putting the Malossi Variator from the scooter swap shop. Ordered it through Man in the Box. That's going to be going on the Navi today. So that's super exciting. So let me go ahead and get down the road. I got about a 40-minute drive to Demboske Motorsports, and I'll catch up with you guys once we get to the shop. All right, guys, we just got here to Demboske Motorsports. We just finished putting the white walls on my 2022 Honda Grom. Zach did an amazing job. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about the white walls on the yellow and black Grom, and then take a look at some of the bikes that they have out here that Zach races. Okay. And then so today what we're going to be doing is we have the scooter swap shop. We're going to be doing the Malossi Variator on the Honda Navi. I can't remember exactly how much I got this for. I think it was like $130, $40. I'll have a link down in the description for you guys to get it. And Zach was nice enough to let me use the lift. So we're going to be focusing right here on this section for today's install. All right, so the first thing we did, we took the kicker off, and that is a 12 millimeter, and then we're going to take the rest of these bolts off this case, and those are 8 millimeters, and then we're going to get a Phillips head and remove this part, and then we should be able to move this entire piece here. All right, so Zach, as you can see now, is removing, how many of those we have? 1, 2, 3.
We got 4 up top. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4.
This one? Yeah, I think this is one.
Yeah, that's the one there. This one, you got to move the bracket out of the way to get to the one behind it, and then this one here.
Those are 8?
8 or 9.
Yeah, 8 or 9 of those to take off. Remember, those are 8 millimeters. All right, we got all the bolts removed. Now we're going to move this part of the case. Okay, good. All right, cool. So there's that, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take that bolt off right there, that nut, and then let's see. Take this one off.
Here's your spring.
Yep, and then take this off, and then loosen this belt. All right, to remove this nut, you're going to use a 22 millimeter. Okay, let's go ahead and get this off. Voila. And then be careful, and then when you're removing this, make sure you take this off with it, and just be careful with that. Okay, and then we're going to move on to this side right here. All right, and then this nut here is a 19. Okay, there you go. That's off. And then take this off with it.
Very important. What is your race number?
There you go. Boom, and just like that, you have that off. Okay, let's go ahead and remove this. And leave the belt in there. And then the next thing you got to do, there is this is a 39 millimeter to take this nut off right here. All right, let's go for it.
Hey, do what you got to do, man. I'll be here for a little bit.
That came off easier than I thought it was. Oh, that was pretty simple. All right, so here is the new Malossi spring here. Okay, make sure whenever you're building this back, you have this cap just like this, and then we're going to put this back on here, and then we're going to get this situated just like that, and then we're going to put the this nut back on there. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll show you guys once I have it completed. All right, got it back on. I was able to push this down by myself and put this on. It wasn't very hard at all, but if you have a second hand, it wouldn't hurt to have somebody either hold this down or put this nut on for you. So that was pretty simple. All right, this nut on the top here is going to we're going to torque it down to 40 foot-pounds. All right, this nut's going to get torqued down to 36 foot-pounds, and make sure you put your washer on, and then you put your nut, and then like I said, 36 foot-pounds on that nut. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is see these little plastic pieces. You need to put them onto this black piece just like that. They only go one way. And then what you want to do is you want to drop your sliders. These are 12 gram. Let me see if I can get a good. These are 12 gram sliders. Sit like that. This one's gonna sit just like that. This one's gonna sit just like that. Just like that. And this is gonna go down just like so. So now we're gonna go back over to the bike side and assemble the rest of this part onto the bike. Okay, all right, so now we're back onto the bike side. You're gonna take this piece and then you're gonna wiggle it on to right there. Okay, and then this is gonna go just like this. Just remember this piece, then this washer, and then we're gonna slide this puppy on here, just like so. And then we are going to, hey, we got the belt right?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, cool. And we're gonna slide this on.
Let's make sure this is splined onto the...
Yeah, make sure it's seated. There you go.
All right, cool. So we got to backtrack a little bit. Malossi supplies you with these two bolts. They're going to replace these two bolts right here. There's a 10 millimeter, so you'll take these two out, and then you'll obviously put the ones that Malossi supplied into this spot right here. Okay, Zach's removing those, and then this is a 5 millimeter Allen key for the supplied Malossi ones. Here you go, just like that. And then we can get back to where we were. And then once we get everything back together, you're gonna tighten this nut right here down to 69 foot-pounds. Alright, cool, everything's working. We're gonna button everything back up and then take this thing for a ride and see the difference. Where's the very end?
All the way, wide open.
Oh yeah, I see it.
A little work in progress.
Yeah, as it speeds up, it moves out.
All right, let's button everything back up and take it for a spin. I'm pretty sure it's got some more torque. All right, so the ride on the Navi, I can definitely tell the torque is definitely there. It definitely gets up to 0 to 30 a lot faster than it did stock. So I definitely would probably recommend this upgrade. I have the Malossi clutch and then the clutch bell coming in as well. I do want to give a big shout out to Zach, the owner of Demboske Motosport, for letting me come up here and helping me work on the bike, and of course putting the see if I can show you from here, putting the white wall tires on the Grom. I think it looks absolutely awesome. So I cannot wait to ride the Grom and see how the Shinko tires perform. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.